What up, YouTube? Y'all already know what it is. Your boy Joel. Today's video, I'm doing an oil change in our newest car we just bought, or I bought for my wife. I use it here and there. It's her car. As y'all know, I sold the Camaro, but I'm getting another one real soon. You feel me? I gotta let go with all the stuff I gotta pay off first. You feel me? I gotta pay my taxes, because if you don't want to end up like Donald Trump having ass. You feel me? Now, all jokes aside though, I'm getting ready to do an oil change, because last night when I was driving the car, all the lights came on talking about you gotta turn off the car, take it to the dealer. I'm like, oh wow, this a BMW thing. I know other cars do that, but not like this. But other than that, you guys already know. Y'all seen the car on my Instagram, but let me show you guys. This is what I'm working with. Here she is, boys. She filthy right now. I'm getting ready to do this oil change. Got all the good parts, good oil, and yeah, that twin turbo. But here she is. It's dirty as hell right now. Filthy, super filthy. That's what it is. You feel me? 28i. So y'all know that twin turbo. It's not the 6 liter, but it's all good. Ooh, I got hiccup, boys. But yeah, enough talking. I'm gonna have to lift this baby up and let's get her. I'm gonna show you guys. Simple as that. First thing you gotta do, you feel me? Make sure everything is cold, because you don't want to burn yourself. There you go. That's for ventilation. That way, when you unscrew it from the bottom, all the oil could come out faster. So I'm gonna try to keep this as much as I can so y'all could have some information about it. I'm not really good at how videos like to teach people, but this is how I'm doing it. I'm about to lift the car up, take the screw under there in the oil pan, take that off real quick. Then I'm gonna come back up, unscrew the filter, and let the oil drain. But yeah, let's get this started, y'all. So I pulled out the handy toolbox, you feel me? You need a 17 millimeter. That's what I got, 17 millimeter. My socket wrench. And this is all self-explanatory. You just gotta go to the bottom of the car, hit up the oil drain right here. Y'all can see, there she is. That is the oil drain. That's where you're gonna drain your oil from. And you feel me? Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So real easy on a BMW. A lot of people don't like working on them because they're foreigns, but this is as simple as it gets. That's where you want to drain your oil from. Control stuff that I use to catch oil with. That's all in the other house, but I'm not there right now, so I got to do it with the stuff I got available. So yeah, I'm not gonna record none of this. I'm gonna go inside the house, grab a knife, cut that up, put it under there, and I'll show you when it's all drained up. So here it is. Like I said, if I was at the other house, I would have my oil drain equipment with me, all the stuff needed to do an actual proper oil change, but I don't, so I made my own. Like I said, this is as best as I can to show you guys. If you want to do it yourself, you can. I advise you not. Just take it to a shop if you got the money. I have the money, but I also have the knowledge, so I'm doing it at home. This is gonna be my funnel because, like I said, I don't have none of that stuff. So this is what I'm gonna use to put, you feel me, some new oil. That oil drain nut, and we should be good to go, boys. So there she is, boys. Hopefully it doesn't fill up to the top, because if it does, I'm gonna have some cleaning to do. But here it is. But alrighty, simple as that. She is draining. Damn, she's getting to the top. Let me go get another one real quick. Alright, I'm done, boys. I took like a nice little 5-10 minute break because I had to go buy this shit. This wrench. The one I have was not the size, so here she is. Then you gotta put the new filter in and gasket. Yeah, boys, simple and easy. I've been at it for like 10 minutes. I ain't gonna even lie to you guys. I already tightened up the drain plug in the bottom. I ain't film it, but I did. That's all drained up. loosen it up though, because this is coming down hard, you feel me? Look. Okay. There we go. Whew. This one's already full, like a mug. So I'm gonna open this one up and make it into a new one. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do, boys. I'm gonna take it out right now so I can drain that. Let me do that real quick. So I got all the oil inside of this jug. I made a little mess, but I'll clean that. And then I got the rest. There it is. She's draining. So the top should be clear now. But because the car is in an angle, it's not gonna get a lot of it out. At least not all of it. So this is how she's looking, boys. But I ain't worried about that. We all good. I'm getting ready to go put the drain plug back in the oil pan. Pour some new oil. Like I always say, I mean, while you're pouring oil, make sure the drain plug is tight and get under the car when you start it, you feel me? Once you start the car, just to make sure that it's not leaking oil. So that's what I'm about to do here in a couple minutes. All right, away, now, the new one, the old one. This is the easiest way I'm probably gonna be able to do it. One-handed. There she is. And I have to wash the camera because it was dirty. The new one's good for this. None of that. I'll just take this baby to the car wash. Today's a good day, 70 degrees here in Columbus, Ohio. So I'll take her out, coast side, foot spin. All right, easy peasy. Made in China, that's the numbers. I was told the numbers always go head first. So that's how you do it. That's it. She's in. And I could just use this to close it back up, but I'm not going to. It's always best to do these filters, these oil filters, hand tightened. All right, here we go. Hopefully I do not make a fucking mess. Oh shit, I am spilling it. All right. Let's do this. Let's restart real quick. So this way. I'm always doing a mess, boys. And it's not because I don't know what I'm doing. Trust me, I do. It's because I'm holding this damn camera just to show you guys. That's all it is. This would not be this bad and unprofessional as it could be if I had all my equipment. If I was at the job, like if I was at Toyota, I could have done this for you guys in like 5 minutes with all the right equipment. So yeah, if you guys gonna do this, like I said, you can. If not, I do advise you just take it to a mechanic, a real one. Take it to your dealer, you feel me? But here she is. That's it. All right, let's pour this bad boy in there. I'm trying to do this as much as I can without spilling it. So I am gonna take it to the car wash just to rinse off all this little oil I spilled. But now it's time for the true test. Start her up, make sure she's not leaking. You see, we got no oil leaks. No oil leaks. Ugh. So this is something my pops always told me. He's the one who showed me this a long time ago. I don't know if you guys know, but here you go. Before I do end out this video, all this oil stuff, please don't throw it in the garbage can. Like, don't put it in your garbage can. That's fucked up. Empty it out. You see, that's empty. This is empty. Put it back where the original oil comes in. As you can see, this is half, like it's almost full. You feel me? And you just take this, you know, put the cap back on. Take this to your nearby auto store like AutoZone, O'Reilly's, etc. You know what I mean? Advanced Auto Part, and you empty this out. They have a jug inside. It's not outside. You go inside, you tell them, hey, I'm here to empty some oil. They let you go to the back, they show you where it is, and you just take it in there, and that's it. Easy as that. But I'm out of here. Like I said, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and, you know, share the video. Give it a like. I'm outies.